Hi, this big app of Tipid CP Philippines. Right now, I'm doing a review of the very disappointing Rebel SIM. As you can see, I have a lot of Rebel SIMs. These SIMs, I ordered this from UK on their website, from the Rebel website. Then they told me that the Rebel SIMs will come from Hong Kong. I don't know why. They posted that the Rebel SIM was made in UK, but they are shipped from Hong Kong. They just told me they have an office at Hong Kong. I don't know what's the truth about that. Anyways, let's start with the review of the Rebel SIM. As you can see, it's a very good, they have a very good packaging with hologram seal with plastic. It's like a plastic box. Let's open one. I have already opened a lot of Rebel SIMs a while ago. I have to check. That's why I told you it was a very disappointing. I even tested what's inside the box are, wait, I'll just fix this. What's inside this one, it's a sticker, I mean a template sticker for regular SIM to be cut as micro SIM. This one, I don't know why did they send this on the packages. I mean, every Rebel SIM has this SIM cards. Then this one, this is a SIM adapter. So if you wish your micro SIM to be used as a regular SIM, you'll just use this. Another template, micro SIM adapter. Then this is what's great about it. They have a SIM ejector for free. Then the Rebel SIM. Then the SIM tray. This is the Rebel SIM tray. By the way, I opened every Rebel SIM that I have. All the SIM trays. On this portion of the SIM trays, they are shaved. They don't have the engravings of Rebel. What they have, what I found out was these SIM trays are from Jevi. They just sanded down this part to remove the engravings of Jevi. All of the SIM trays that I have, all the same. I have a picture of it on my PDF file. I'll be uploading that also. Okay, here is the Rebel SIM. It's almost the same with the Jevi. As you can see here, the name, oops, sorry, here. I don't know if you can see the name. Yeah, there you go. Rebel. Okay. So here is the Rebel SIM. Then I'll just be comparing it side by side with my Jevi SIM. Jevi SIM, then Rebel SIM. Okay. Now let's test the Rebel SIM and their so-called untethered unlock. Okay, I'll be placing this. As you can see, the Rebel SIM is not the same as what was posted on their website. I mean the 3D image. What was posted is you can use the Rebel SIM without doing an extra cut here on your SIM card, but it was not true, because you cannot place a SIM card, I mean an uncut SIM card, you cannot place on top of the Rebel SIM because it won't fit. Because you can see it's the microchip is also big, just like the Jevi SIM. Okay, this is my cut SIM card. There you go. Okay, I'll be inserting it on my iPhone. This is one of my problems. The Rebel SIM chip was too thick. It doesn't slide. It doesn't slide inside the iPhone. It's having hard time sliding. Okay, I have to sand down the microchip just so that I can insert it. Let's see first, comparing it from the Jevi SIM. Okay, I'll be placing the Rebel SIM here. I'll be getting my Jevi. Here's my Jevi. Okay, same SIM tray that I used, same SIM card, just to show that the Jevi has no problem inserting on the phone. You see, it slides easy. That's the Jevi SIM, and this is the Rebel SIM. I'm having a hard time. Okay, anyways, I already have a Rebel SIM which was sanded down a while ago. Here, to prove that I sand the Rebel SIM, you can see I sanded it. I sanded the Rebel SIM here on this side, going here, so that this Rebel SIM, I mean the microchip, to make it thinner. All of the Rebel SIM that I have doesn't fit the iPhone. Okay, here's the Rebel SIM. See, Rebel. Okay, where's my SIM card? Wait. Rebel SIM which was not yet sanded. My Jevi SIM. Rebel SIM that was sanded. Okay, I'll be using this one. I have to fix it also. Okay, see, it slides easy because I already sanded down the Rebel SIM. Okay, now let's see the so-called untethered. No SIM card installed. Let's see, I'll turn it off. I'm really very disappointed with the Rebel SIM. I'll show you why. Also, what's this? I really have bad experience with the sales team of Rebel SIM. I tried asking them that I'll be returning all the Rebel SIMs because it doesn't work. As you can see there, it has one bar. Oops. Okay. See, it's searching. as what was advertised, it should be picking up signal immediately. Wait, I'll have to the lock. See, it's searching. It's still searching. It's searching forever. It doesn't come up. The signal doesn't come up. Then there you go. No service. I tried this because I thought the SIM card has problem, but I tried every Rebel SIM that I have, all the same. No service. Okay. Now, as you can see, 1 bar. What I do with this is I dial 112 and call settings, airplane mode, so as you can see, where was the promised untethered unlock, and where was the promised no dialing of 112 emergency number. It's just the same with the Jevi SIM. The only difference is it doesn't have the SIM welcome menu, the one where you would press accept. SIM failure. Okay, invalid SIM. Just like the Jevi, it is really the same as the Jevi. There's no such thing as the untethered unlock. I mean, searching. Then there you go. I have signal already. So let's try. Okay. As they say, if you switch off the phone, it will automatically pick up signal. As you can see, it's already working. It has signal. Okay, I'll switch up the phone to see if the untethered unlock will work as what they advertised. Turn it on again. By the way, I'll be continuing about my experience with Rebel SIM sales department. I told them that I cannot use all the SIM cards because I cannot sand every SIM card that I have. I mean, every Rebel SIM that I have, because I might damage it by sanding the microchip. So I told them I'm more than willing. Okay, here we go. As you can see, it's searching. We'll wait for the signal to come up. I told them I can damage the microchip if I sand everything up. So what I did was told them that I will just return all the Rebel SIM that I have, then they just refund my money. But what I get was when I was talking with the sales team, I mean with Rebel SIM, the guy told me go to hell, and with the FU word. I have the screenshot of our conversation. I saved it just to prove that that they told me all those things. As you can see, again, it's no service. I have to dial 112 and do the procedure same as Jevi for the Rebel to work. Okay, now we have already proved that the untethered unlock was BS.